Have you ever met someone who seems quiet, gloomy, and emotionally distant, as if a dark cloud is following them everywhere? That feeling is perfectly captured by one powerful word, morose. The word morose means sad, gloomy, or bad-tempered, often for a long time. It describes a person who appears deeply unhappy, withdrawn, or uninterested in conversation. When someone is morose, their mood feels heavy and serious, with very little joy or enthusiasm. Morose is pronounced as a morose. It is an adjective, which means it is used to describe a person's mood, behavior, or emotional state. A morose person is not just sad for a moment. The sadness feels persistent, making interactions feel uncomfortable or tense. Let's look at some synonyms of morose to understand it better. Gloomy, feeling dark and unhappy. Sullen, silent and bad-tempered. Melancholy, deeply sad and thoughtful. Depressed, emotionally low. Grim, serious and joyless. Now, some antonyms, or opposite words. Cheerful, happy and positive. Joyful, full of happiness. Optimistic, hopeful about the future. Lively, energetic and animated. Here are a few real-life example sentences. After losing the match, he became morose and avoided talking to anyone. The office felt quiet and tense because of her morose attitude. He sat alone with a morose expression, staring out the window. Imagine a student who failed an important exam. They stop smiling, speak very little, and seem emotionally distant all day. That student is behaving morosely. The word morose is commonly used in daily conversation, books, news articles, and emotional descriptions. It helps express deep, lasting sadness more clearly than simple words like sad or upset. Understanding words like morose makes your English richer and more expressive. It allows you to describe emotions accurately and confidently. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.